What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enter social media icons into your WordPress website footer without plugins, using the native features of WordPress into a simple, fast and effective way, okay? This is a minimal website and I would like to apply into the footer some social media, maybe 3 social media icons. How to do this? This is what we're gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials and review the left sidebar of menus. Hover mouse over appearance and here something changes, okay? If you are using a classic WordPress theme, you're gonna have the option widgets. Great, you can click on it. If you don't have the widgets feature, you're gonna be able to see customize, and inside customize, you're gonna be able to see the option to apply widgets on your footer. No worries, it's the same panel but different ways to access. In my case, I'm gonna click on widgets. Here I have sidebar widgets, before footer, first footer, second footer, third footer. So my logo type is on the second footer, right here into the middle section, okay? So I'm gonna click into this plus button to add a block, and I'm gonna search for social, and right here we have social icons. I'm gonna click into this plus button and we can search for social icons, for example Facebook. Let's me click into another one. I'm gonna search for X, and I'm gonna search for example, YouTube. Nice, right? Now I can change the headings, change the location of the headings. I want to be on the center. Let me update, and let me see the page. There is nothing there. Why? Because there is no link to these headings. So let me apply a link to my Facebook. Let me copy the link address from the Visualmodo Facebook page. Same on Twitter or X. Same on YouTube. You can apply as many links as you need, okay? And as many social medias as you want. Let me update the page. And here are the social media icons. As you can see, it's so together, so let's fix it. If you hover a mouse between the section, you can see a plus button and you can apply any space. Let me see if this is good. I think it's okay. Now let's go back to the social media icons, and right here you're gonna be able to see into your right side of menus a couple of options. You can organize the social media positions, and you can change the justification, the size, you can show text in the case that you want. You can open links into a new tabs in the case that you want as well. And you can play with the colors. You can share logo only, the full, let me change the background colors, just like this, to make it match more with the design of the site. I think a darker color gonna look better, but this way it's already good. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.